Ever wondered what magic looks like in the digital age? Well, hold on to your seats because we're diving into the future of creativity with ChatGPT's latest trick, image generation. From sketches to super realism, this tool isn't just changing the game, it's making a whole new one. Imagine turning a simple doodle into a digital masterpiece or an ad that captures eyes like never before. Ready to see how? Let's unlock these 15 mind-blowing uses together. Combining styles. Picture yourself as a digital Picasso, where the canvas is limitless and the possibilities endless. ChatGPT's new image generation lets you blend a variety of art styles, transforming ordinary images into unique, captivating visuals. Whether you're looking to stand out in a crowded market or establish a distinctive brand identity, this tool empowers you to merge different aesthetics into one coherent style. It's ideal for artists, designers, and businesses aiming to differentiate themselves and make a memorable impression in a world full of common visuals. Ad creatives. Ever needed a stunning ad but lacked the time or resources to create one from scratch? ChatGPT steps in as your creative assistant, enabling you to craft compelling advertisements with ease. Simply feed it an existing ad template and your product image, and it seamlessly integrates them, producing a professional-looking ad in no time. This feature is a game changer for marketers and entrepreneurs who need to rapidly test and adapt their advertising strategies in various settings. It's not just about speed. It's about making impactful, visually appealing ads that capture attention and convey your message effectively. Product mockups, revolutionizing online selling. ChatGPT's image generation brings the power of virtual product mockups at your fingertips. Without arranging costly and time-consuming photo shoots, you can create lifelike images of your products set against diverse backdrops and in various styles. This incredible feature allows online retailers and marketers to showcase their products in multiple settings, enhancing the appeal and providing a realistic view for customers, whether you're launching a new product or testing market reactions. These mockups offer a flexible, cost-effective solution for visually communicating your product's versatility and features. Photo shoot replacers. Forget the hassle of coordinating location, weather, and lighting for a photo shoot. With ChatGPT's advanced image generation, you can simulate a professional photo shoot right from your desktop. This tool eliminates the need for expensive travel and logistical nightmares, enabling you to produce stunning, photorealistic images under controlled, virtual conditions. It's perfect for businesses needing high-quality visuals for marketing and sales, offering the freedom to create and iterate on visuals quickly and efficiently. Capture the essence of your product in the perfect light and setting, all without stepping outside your office. Ad remixing. With ChatGPT's image generation, transforming any image into an advertisement is a breeze. This feature is a boon for marketers looking to enhance the ROI of their campaigns. By taking existing images and seamlessly converting them into fresh ads, you save on both time and creative resources. It allows for continuous innovation in how products are presented, keeping your marketing materials dynamic and engaging. Ideal for rapid A/B testing or seasonal updates. Ad remixing lets you adapt quickly to market trends and maintain a strong visual presence with minimal effort. Ghibli-style transfer. Embrace the enchanting world of Studio Ghibli with ChatGPT's style transfer feature. You can transform everyday images into whimsical artworks that capture the studio's signature fantasy-like vibe. This tool preserves the essence of the original photo while infusing it with a new, magical quality. It's perfect for fans of the studio or anyone wanting to add a touch of whimsy to their visuals. Whether for personal projects or unique marketing content, Ghibli-style transfer lets you craft captivating, storybook-like images that stand out. Sketch transfer. Unleash your creativity with ChatGPT's sketch transfer feature. Whether you have a rough sketch or a detailed image, this tool can transform it into a polished, professional-looking graphic or simplify it into a minimalist sketch. It's a fantastic resource for artists, designers, and anyone looking to refine their ideas visually. You can turn a simple doodle into a rich, detailed picture or distill a complex image into its basic outlines, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. This feature bridges the gap between concept and completion, making it easier to bring your artistic visions to life. Game assets. ChatGPT's image generation tool is a game changer for developers creating digital worlds. With the ability to generate consistent, stylish game assets that seamlessly fit into your game's aesthetic, maintaining a cohesive look across all visual elements has never been easier. Whether you need characters, environments, or items, this tool ensures that every asset matches your game's style, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Perfect for indie developers and large studios alike, it streamlines the creative process, allowing more time to focus on game mechanics and storytelling while still achieving a visually stunning product. Infographics. ChatGPT's image generation tool revolutionizes the way you create infographics. It simplifies the process of transforming complex data into clear, visually appealing graphics quickly and efficiently. Ideal for educational content, business presentations, or eye-catching social media posts, this tool handles the heavy lifting. You provide the data, and it designs an infographic that's not only informative, but also engaging. This capability is essential for anyone looking to communicate information effectively, ensuring your audience can grasp complicated subjects at a glance without feeling overwhelmed. Brand images. Maintaining a consistent brand image across all platforms is crucial, and ChatGPT's image generation tool makes it easier than ever. With just a simple prompt, you can generate brand images that align perfectly with your company's aesthetic, ensuring that your social media profiles and marketing materials present a unified visual identity. This consistency helps strengthen brand recognition and builds trust with your audience. Whether you're looking to update your logo or ensure your social media visuals reflect your brand's style, ChatGPT provides a quick and effective solution. UI design. For UI designers, ChatGPT's image generation tool is a game changer, enabling you to replicate and customize any design you find online. If you spot a user interface that inspires you, simply input a description or an example into the tool, and it can recreate the design with your specified adjustments. This feature is incredibly valuable for accelerating design workflows and sparking creative ideas. It allows designers to rapidly prototype and iterate on designs, making the process of refining and perfecting a user interface much more efficient and less time-consuming. Text rendering. Enhance your visuals with ChatGPT's text rendering capability, designed to embed text into images in a way that looks both natural and professional. This tool is perfect for creating educational content, promotional graphics, or any visual material that benefits from integrated text. It ensures that the text is not only readable, but also aesthetically pleasing, adding value to the visual content without overwhelming it. Whether you're looking to produce informative infographics, eye-catching ads, or instructional materials, ChatGPT's text rendering helps you communicate more effectively with your audience, making your visuals more compelling and engaging. Character consistency. ChatGPT's image generation excels in maintaining character consistency across multiple images. This is a crucial feature for storytellers, marketers, and game developers who need to present their characters in a variety of scenarios without losing their distinct identity. Whether you're developing a series for a graphic novel, creating marketing materials, or building assets for a video game, this tool ensures that your characters look the same in every scene. This consistency is key to building a strong, recognizable brand and narrative, helping your audience form a lasting connection with your characters. Transparent layers. ChatGPT's ability to generate images with transparent layers significantly simplifies the design process for creators. This feature allows designers to easily manipulate and integrate images into various contexts without the hassle of background removal. Whether you're layering multiple images for a complex graphic design project, creating web designs, or assembling scenes for digital media, transparent layers provide the flexibility to seamlessly combine elements. This tool is essential for designers who need to quickly adapt visuals for different formats, ensuring that their creative output is both high quality and efficient. Realistic photos. With ChatGPT's latest advancements in image generation, achieving photorealistic images is now within everyone's reach. This tool can produce visuals that are so detailed and lifelike, it's almost impossible to distinguish them from photographs taken with a camera. Whether you're working on personal projects, crafting a professional portfolio, or needing high-quality images for business presentations, ChatGPT delivers exceptional clarity and realism. The technology captures the nuances of light, shadow, textures, and even human expressions with astonishing accuracy, making it a valuable asset for photographers, designers, and marketers aiming to make a strong visual impact. Thanks for exploring the incredible possibilities with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more mind-blowing features and tips. Enjoyed the video? Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content just like this. See you in the next one.